Hello, today we will guide you through how to track wallets on Axiom Pro. To get started, open Axiom and navigate to the Discover page. This is the area where you can explore different tools and features available on the platform. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on, so everything in the top navigation is visible and easy to access. If you are already inside Axiom, going directly to the Discover section is the quickest way to begin. Once you are on the Discover page, direct your attention to the top portion of the screen. Here you will see the main navigation options for this section. What you are looking for is the Trackers option, depending on your screen size or browser zoom level. The layout may appear slightly different, so take a moment to scan across the top menu carefully. If needed, maximize your browser window to make the navigation easier to read. When you find Trackers at the top, confirm that you are selecting the correct tab or menu item. This section is where wallet tracking tools are organized, and it is the place you will use to monitor wallet activity inside Axiom Pro. If you do not immediately notice it, give the page another quick look from left to right, as top navigation items can sometimes blend in with the rest of the interface at first glance. Next, click on Trackers. This will open the Tracker area where you can begin working with wallet tracking features. After clicking, allow a moment for the page or panel to update. Once it opens, you are in the right place to continue managing or reviewing wallet tracking activity within the platform. As a helpful tip, if the page does not respond right away, wait a second and avoid clicking multiple times, since repeated clicks can sometimes open the same section more than once or cause unnecessary confusion. It is also a good idea to make sure you are using a stable internet connection so the platform loads smoothly. That's all it takes to reach the wallet tracking section on Axiom Pro. From the Discover page, locate Trackers at the top, then click it to open the correct area. Following these steps carefully will help you get where you need to go quickly and confidently.